Most Americans don't know, a melted candy bar gave us the microwave. But the twist, a radar tube at Raytheon melted it by accident. He tested popcorn kernels near it, they exploded. America just invented the microwave oven. By 1967, countertop microwaves hit homes. Now 90% of US kitchens have one. America leads the world. That's why most Americans still don't know the full story. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. This video was automatically generated by AI. Information may not be fully accurate. Please verify with official sources. Like and subscribe.